So in this video we are going to see about oscillators. So what is an oscillator? It converts the DC energy to AC energy at very high frequency, and also this output generation does not require any externally applied input signal and player. So classification of oscillator, there are two types: sinusoidal or harmonic, or non-sinusoidal or relaxation. So the essential condition, that is Brockhaus criterion conditions for oscillation, that is the magnitude of this A beta gain of the amplifier
is equal to 1.
and the total phase shift around the closed loop is 0 degree or 360 degree, and this is the two condition for oscillation. And considering the sinusoidal oscillation, there are two types. First one is LC tune and next one is RC phase shift oscillator. Under LC tune oscillator we have Hartley oscillator, Hall-Pitt oscillator and Clap oscillators, and under RC oscillator we have RC phase shift and Weinberg oscillator. And here, so in this video we just give the equation for frequency of oscillation of different oscillators. So first we consider the LC tune oscillator. So first one is Corley oscillator, and this is the tank circuit. It consists of two inductor and one capacitor. So frequency of oscillation here is F0 is equal to 1 by 2 pi root LC, and where this L is equal to this L1 plus L2 plus 2M, and this M is the mutual inductance between L1 and L2. So this is give M, mutual inductance between L1 and L2. So considering the next oscillator Colpitts, here the inductance in Corley oscillator is replaced with capacitor here. So it consists of two capacitor and one inductance. So frequency of oscillation F0 is given as 1 by 2 pi root of LC, and here C is equal to C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2, that is 1 by C is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. So we have C is equal to C1 C2 divided by C1 plus. Next we consider the Clap oscillator, and here the difference between Colpitts and Clap is we additionally use one capacitor here C3, and also the frequency of oscillation here is 1 by 2 pi LC, where C is equal to the C1 C2 C3 divided by C1 plus C2 plus C3. And why we are adding the C3? For two reasons. First one is it improves the frequency stability, and also this eliminates the effect of transistor parameter. Basically we are connect this tank circuit with CE amplification circuit. We connect this tank circuit with this amplifier. So this additional C is used to eliminate the effect of transistor parameter. So next we see the RC oscillator. First we see about RC phase shift oscillator. It uses 3 capacitor and 3 resistor, and here the frequency of oscillation is equal to 1 by root 6 2 pi RC hertz. Otherwise if you apply all values, known values, we will get 0.065 divided by RC hertz. And this R and C provides RC circuit provide 180 degree phase shift, and also we are using CE amplification. So this amplifier itself it provide 180 degree phase shift, so totally 360 degree phase shift. It satisfy the condition of oscillation. And also for oscillation, that A beta is equal to 1, and we have A is equal to 29 for the circuit, so beta must satisfy the condition of 1 by. Next we see the Weinberg oscillator, and this is a circuit of Weinberg oscillator tank circuit, and here the frequency of oscillation is equal to 1 by 2 pi root of R1 C1 R2 C2, and balance condition here is R4 divided by R3 is equal to R1 divided by R2 plus C1 divided by C2, and here this R4 divided by R3 is equal to R1 divided by R2 plus C1 divided by C2. And also if R1 is equal to R2 is equal to R, C1 is equal to C2 is equal to C, this equation becomes 1 divided by 2 pi r square c square. So this can be rewritten as f naught is equal to 1 by 2 pi rc, and also here r get cancelled, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So r4 divided by r3 is equal to 2, and these are the balance condition. And this main bridge and RC phase shift oscillator is used for generating the frequency below 10 kilohertz audio frequency range. It works. Other important equation in this under this topic is Q factor, that is equal to omega L divided by R. Here omega is the angular frequency, that is equal to 2 pi f, and bandwidth, that is equal to f by